Yo, what up guys, your boy Jim Graphics. So welcome back to another video. So guys, I want to share with you guys about this portfolio of a thing. I want to explain to you guys on the certain things on which will help you guys. All right, it will help you guys grow on your design career. So right now I want you guys to have this, which will help you guys. Okay, stay tuned to the end of this video. And first of all, I want to apologize for not posting video for a very long time. I'm not being lazy, but am I lazy? I don't think I'm lazy, but I just need discipline. But the fact is, we had 3 clients that came in, 3 new clients that came in. All right, all are funeral programs design, and you know how hectic and you know how that goes. Basically, you know how it is designing a funeral programs and all of that, everything branding about funeral. You know how it is. So guys, I basically was giving my time for that, and that was why I've not been putting out content for you guys, tutorials for you guys. So the first one was to be delivered before Saturday. The funeral is on Saturday, which I've delivered, and I think we are printing more copies for them. So the second one is on Friday, which was very much urgent. That was very much urgent. So I have to give it my time, I have to give my time. So please guys, I'm sorry about that. So I want to show you guys how I got this client. That is why I want to make this video. I want to show you guys how I got this client. I didn't get them. They actually reached out to me from various platforms. First, I got from YouTube. And the last one is very important, which I would advise you stick around to this video to the very end. It's not an advert, guys. It's not an advert. It's actually me telling you guys what will help you. I'm not here to cook up stories. I'm here to tell you what will help you. I've actually been to Fiverr and I've worked with Fiverr. I've not had clients in Fiverr. I won't lie to you. I've not had clients from Fiverr. So a lot have had clients from Fiverr. People are working from Fiverr, but it's not that basically because I've not given it my time. Yes, so as a graphic designer, I will advise you have a good portfolio, even if it's on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. Post your work. Always post your work. It will help you guys grow. Do you understand? So right now I want to also show you guys the process in which I'm going to take, like step-by-step process in delivering the other program which we'll be having, the funeral program that will be held in November. So I want to show you guys the process from the design. I've actually sent out invoice, which I've taught you guys how to send that invoice to your clients. So I've sent that invoice. I taught you guys how to do that. So if you don't know how to send out invoice and how to compile invoice, please go and check out my previous videos. I have videos on how to send out invoice. Because I told you guys, always negotiate on your price with invoice with your client. It's just I will do videos most of you will not watch. I don't know. So guys, I want to show you guys the process when we start designing, and when we finish, and when we deliver, and the client's reaction to the job, if he's okay with it, if he's not okay with it. But from the 2 jobs we've delivered, we have 3 funeral programs. Like I said, the 2 jobs, the clients they were all okay with it. You understand? So I will still show you guys how I made those designs. For those of you who are actually asking for funeral program mockup, which the program mockup, yes, that I'm coming to that. All right, I'm going to actually give you guys the mockup and show you guys how I use them for presentation. And this is actually a platform that helped me got this client. One reached out to me from Facebook, from Instagram. The other person reached out from Facebook, YouTube. Then the other person reached out from Behance. I have a Behance portfolio. All right. So also you can have Pinterest portfolio, guys. Open account with Pinterest, open account with Behance, post your jobs there, make sure your jobs are good, and you will get clients. All right. Yes, you will get clients. So please, these are the informations I want to put out for you guys. And once from tomorrow, I will start putting out content, normal tutorials for you guys. Please subscribe to this channel. And if you have anything bothering you or you have any question, please don't forget, drop me a comment in the comment section below. And guys, don't forget to like this video. And see you guys in my next video.